Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Bluetooth audio is delayed on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, Bluetooth audio delay, commonly known as a audio lag or audio latency, you can be frustrating when using wireless headphones or speaker with your iPhone 15. If you're expressing delayed audio on your iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, you can try some troubleshooting steps to solve this issue. First of all, you have to do is check for Bluetooth device, firmware and software updates. Ensure that your Bluetooth headphones or speaker have the latest firmware or software updates. Check the manufacturer's website or the app associated with your Bluetooth device for any available update. Outdated firmware can contribute to audio delay. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone and Bluetooth device both. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Restart both your iPhone 15 and the Bluetooth device you are using. Then try reconnecting them again. To restart your iPhone 15, you have to go to your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do it disable and re-enable the Bluetooth. Turn off your Bluetooth on your iPhone 15 by going to Control Center and turn it off. Turn it off, then wait for a few seconds and again turn it back on. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is reduce your interference. Ensure that there is minimal interference between your iPhone and the Bluetooth device. Other electronic devices like Wi-Fi networks or physical obstacles can affect the Bluetooth signals and cause audio delay. Try moving closer to your Bluetooth device and away from potential source of interference. After this, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Make sure your iPhone 15's operating system is up to date. To do this, simply have to open your settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and check if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Apple may release software updates that improve Bluetooth performance. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue, then you can do is reset your network settings. This will reset your network settings including Bluetooth connections. After doing this, you will need to repair your Bluetooth devices. So guys, to do this, simply have to go to your general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.